So we have an interesting session today. Dr. Pardawala from Safi Hospital is going to join us in a short while. So hang on for another 2 minutes. He will be joining us soon and we'll discuss on the current situation. Just wait, he has joined. There's some network issue.
Hello.
Yes, John. Yes, Dr. Pardawala, I can see
Yeah,
you.
hi.
Good evening,
Sorry,
good
sorry.
evening. No,
Hi,
good
good
evening.
evening.
Yes, yes, yes.
Actually, there was some technical problem,
Okay,
so my
okay.
son then solved it.
Okay,
So,
okay.
hi to all of you. Hi to Monish, and
Yes, yes,
we
yes.
can start the session.
Yes. So I was just briefing a short introduction about you. So a well-known famous personality and doctor in Mumbai has joined us, and he will tell us more about the current situation of pandemic COVID-19, and also will tell us more about the future. And you can ask the questions regarding the vaccination process or anything related to that. So I will hand over to Dr. Pardawala to start the session. Thank you. Yes,
Thank you,
Dr.
Monish.
Pardawala. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Monish. See,
So,
at the outset, I would
mhm.
like to pay the tribute to all those who have lost their near and dear ones in this second wave. It was really, really tough
Yes,
to practice.
I totally
You know,
understand.
we lost so many patients this time because last wave we did not had so many casualties. So sometimes we were really feeling very helpless. We have
Yes.
not seen such a helplessness in my 40 years career. I have never become so helpless. This time, because the virus has changed, so what we found was the whole family was getting infected, not one or two
Okay.
members, number one. So infectivity was very high.
Mhm.
Secondly, some of these patients, for some unknown reason, even those who are very healthy, and
Okay.
they really succumbed to their disease. Nothing worked, nothing. All the treatment which we used to offer in one first this thing,
Great.
they were
Yes.
really not helping this time, and
Okay.
it was frustrating. It was really frustrating. Fortunately, in Mumbai, we yes, we do had sometimes the not availability of beds and people begging for the beds, but oxygen or remdesivir and all these things were not a problem issue at all. Especially in my
Okay.
hospital where I was working, our pharmacists were managing anyhow, even at the peak. The only problem we faced was
Sorry to
tocilizumab
interrupt
was not
you.
available.
I have one question. Like, there was a question from one audience asking why the second wave was so dreadful than the first wave, and why we cannot prevent anything to come. And there are question of third wave as well. So, what do you have say on that?
Yes. See, what happened was that this time the first wave was because of the original virus. Is how the
Correct.
virus it's called as virgin virus. Now all these viruses have a tendency to mutate, and
Okay.
unfortunately the second wave was because of double mutant. It is called as Delta type of virus, and
Okay.
right now whole world is really fearing from this Delta virus because
Mhm.
this virus is causing more deaths. Its infectivity is very high,
I think it's in
and
most of the countries as well.
yes, so full of the India, this second wave was because of Delta virus, and it was a double mutant virus, and it was more infectious, more deadly. That was the reason why he had so many deaths.
Okay. So another question is what is the future like? How is it going to go long for like another 2, 3 years? Or what is your opinion on that?
Yeah. See, if you take the example of the world, there are some countries who have achieved vaccination as close to as 90%,
Hmm.
and they could dare to open their countries, and they could tell the people not to wear the mask. Take the example of Israel. But
Mm.
because it's a small country and they have very high literacy rate, the government is very rich, so they could afford it. But in a country like India, where 80% of our population lives in villages,
Yes.
and villagers have a lot of misinformation through the, unfortunately, through the so-called social media. So they are afraid and they will become the source of third wave. And
Correct. Absolutely.
so the only way out to prevent the further damage is early vaccination of as much as population as possible. Because
Okay.
if you are vaccinated, then your chances, you may get infection, no problem, but your chance of dying or your chance of getting serious complications will definitely come down.
That's a very great insight, Dr. Pardawala. You have mentioned to vaccinate as soon as possible if you are
All
available.
family members.
Yes, yes, yes. So there is another question. Is it possible for every person to take vaccine, especially for diabetic people above 50?
See, the answer is very simple. All human beings who are alive will have to take vaccine. Whatever serious or whatever is your age, you will have to take vaccine. That is the only way by which you can protect yourself. And more sick you are, more elderly you are, if you are obese, if you are diabetic, if you are suffering from any serious illness, you need it more. There
Correct.
is no contraindication for vaccine except one, and that is when you are acutely ill. Say, for example, you got some other pneumonia or some problem. So, first solve that problem, keep your all systems normal, and then you take the vaccine. But you will have
Yeah,
to take vaccine.
to take the vaccine. I hope Anam, your question is answered. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on this platform, and I will ask Dr. Pardawala straight away. So, sir, there are vaccination slots are not available in Mumbai. There is a acute shortage. So, how can
Uh,
we address this issue?
yes. So there are two kinds of vaccinations going on in Mumbai right now.
Mm-hmm.
One is free vaccination by the government, and
Okay.
second is paid vaccination by various hospitals and various organizations. My
Okay.
sincere advice to you will be wherever you get a chance, please go and get vaccinated, because for your life, 800 rupees or 600 rupees has no value at all. So, paid vaccines are freely available. As in my hospital, daily we are doing 1,000 vaccinations daily. So
That's
they are
great.
accepting those who are walking like this. There are so many centers are there in Bombay. So don't give excuse that it's not available. Wherever there is
Okay.
a will, there is a way. So please
Correct.
go and find out and do it.
Yeah. So go to the Cowin app or Arogya Setu app and register as soon as possible and get the slots
And many
online.
places are doing direct walk-in also.
Correct.
You can
Correct.
walk
Correct.
in and you will
Absolutely.
get, they register there only on the spot.
Absolutely. So, doctor, there is a post-COVID complication. There is a news that there is some black fungus going on in Mumbai, Maharashtra, as well as in other districts. So, what is your opinion? What exactly is this disease like? Is it related to COVID or how it happens? Like, never thought or never heard about it before.
Yes, yes, yes. We are getting these kinds of black fungus cases. About 4 to 5 I get every year.
Oh,
Since last 30, 40 years, we are getting these patients. Classically, these patients were those who were not keeping their blood sugars under control, or
mm-hmm.
they were not knowing that they have got diabetes and they are exposed to such kind of fungus. This is how they used to get it. So every
Okay,
year we used to get these kind of cases. But now, for the first time in the history of world, so many cases of black fungus cases have come in any country in given time. So it is really kind of epidemic of black fungus. Now, all over the media, you always hear that it is because of steroid use. Believe
Correct.
me,
Yes.
I just don't agree with it. And the reasons which I would like to give it is like this. Number one, there are so many conditions, medical conditions, where to give steroid is a must. We have to use it, otherwise we lose the patient. But we have
Correct.
never come across black fungus in those patients. So
Mm-hmm.
government is also, and all the media is promoting that it's because of use of steroid you are getting black fungus. No. In my opinion, there are three, four reasons why we got black fungus. Number one, if you do a real survey of all those patients who got black fungus, they were admitted in a newly built hospital or a makeshift hospital, and
Mm-hmm.
this newly built hospital or makeshift hospital has used the new ply, new everything, new air condition system, new oxygen plant, new staff, untrained staff, and
Mm-hmm.
that was the biggest reason why they got. That's the reason number one. In
Okay.
our center, like this, many big hospitals in Mumbai, I don't think there is a single case has been reported of black fungus because we
Okay.
follow all standard care. So how it is possible
Mm-hmm.
that you will get a black fungus? Second reason was when there was an acute shortage of oxygen, the government diverted the industrial oxygen to the hospitals. Industrial oxygen is a impure oxygen. It's not a, there is a huge difference between the medical oxygen and the industrial oxygen.
Yes. Yes.
The medical oxygen is the purest form of oxygen, which is supplied only to the hospital. It is a costly. So what happened was all those patients who received these industrial impure oxygens, they also fell prey to this kind of things. So untrained staff, new hospitals, and industrial oxygen, these are the three most important factors why this epidemic happened.
Okay. So there are three factors which has led to this, the newly called as black fungus, which is COVID complication due to COVID complication. So moving on forward, why it is happening second wave in only India? Like there are many countries which are not facing any second wave, or China or some other countries. Then why only India is being targeted? That is one of the question being asked.
By second wave, no?
Yeah, like why only in
See,
India cases are increasing, not in other countries? Like there are
no, no,
many
no, no,
countries.
no, 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 no. Except for China, all
Mhm.
other countries have phase one, phase two, phase three, phase four also, including all the things that started from Iran. Iran has faced three waves already. US has
Okay.
faced two waves. Europe has
Hmm.
faced two, three waves. So all the countries have faced first, second, third wave. It has to come. Now, story of China. China, I personally feel that their whole population has been vaccinated before it happened. And that is the reason why they could control so fast. Otherwise, it is impossible to control second wave or third wave.
Okay.
Probably
Okay.
they had vaccinated their whole population before this happened.
Hmm. Okay. So this is like how is the situation like? What do you think about our Indian government is doing for this?
See, they are trying their best, but there are two, three problems are there. Number one is we cannot produce in such a large number, so we will have to rely on other countries for vaccines supply. Like you have to whatever way we have to buy from other foreign company like Sputnik from China. We should not hesitate to buy from any place where you can, because to get vaccine is most important thing if you want to go back to our previous economy. Otherwise we'll be a big loser. The cost of vaccine, don't go by cost of the vaccine. This vaccine will save your millions of dollars. If you open
Okay.
your country normally and you start working normally, you can earn this money in
I
one
think I
day.
heard news Sputnik and Pfizer has been given permission, but I don't know when it will be available to
Yeah, the
use.
question is time. Time is money
Right.
here. You have to act fast. You can't wait for 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months. This should have
Yes.
been done long back. How Dubai and all other did, they just ordered immediately, did everything. It was available free. It was
Time is
available
more
on
important.
payment. Yeah, you have to act. You can't wait for
Correct.
any
Correct.
opposition leader to say, okay, please get it. You have to do
Correct.
it before, you have to presume it before. So time was a problem.
And another question related to vaccine is, for example, one person has taken first dose of Covishield, and second dose of Covaxin. So is it fine to mix both the vaccine, or you have to take? What
Yeah,
is your
this is a yes, yes.
take
This is
on
a
that?
very commonly asked question, and the real answer, the technical and scientific answer is he has done an excellent job because there is a theory that if you take two different kind of vaccine, your
Hmm.
chances of getting immunity is much better. But because of technical problems, the government of
Hmm.
India right now doesn't allow it. But there are many countries, like in UK also, it is allowed to have one vaccine from one company and second vaccine from other company. So there
Okay.
is nothing wrong, rather it is good.
Okay. So there are nothing like it will happen anything like no
Now
serious nothing like that.
they will get
Okay.
better response of antibodies.
Okay. So that's a great information you are giving. We, if possible, then we need to take different mix of both. But let's see. And coming to the conclusion part now, we are running short of the time. So what's your future like? What do you think about the future of this? How far it will go, and what do you think about this? How we can? Is it this is it this the new normal, or what will be?
Yes. Now, until and unless, as I told you, 80 to 90% of Indians are not vaccinated properly, and every year you will have to take a booster dose,
Okay.
and you will have to learn how to live with this virus. My only problem with the governments of various states is they take long time to put the unlock and they take long time to unlock. They take
Okay.
time to lock
Correct.
and they
Correct.
take
Correct.
long time to unlock.
Lock.
So in both the way we are loser. As soon as you find your beds are vacant, immediately you should open up your economy.
Okay.
Just delaying by 1 week, 2 weeks,
Actually, because of that,
it's a
economy is
very costly.
impacted. Yes. Yes.
That's
Economy is
very
impacted.
it is affecting the people's life like anything. People who come to us, they cry, they don't have money to eat, they don't have money to buy normal routine things. So it is not good. You block immediately as soon as you find incidence increasing, keep it for 4, 5 days, 7 days block, immediately open up once you find hospital beds are available. So that
Correct.
should be the spirit. I don't know who would suggest these governments. They keep on 1 month, 2 months. How? What are you doing?
Correct. And another question related to vaccine is if you look at the Covishield, if you take Covishield, you are allowed to travel to 130 countries. And some Covaxin is like few countries. So what is it exactly like WHO approves? What
Yeah, yeah.
exactly?
So, yes, yes. So, don't worry about this
Hmm.
because very soon Covaxin will be purchased by Canada, by that Latin American countries, Brazil. So,
Brazil.
definitely WHO already this has been application has been given by the company. So, maybe in a month or two, it will be approved for all over world very soon.
Okay. That's a great news for everyone who are scared of taking Covaxin. So no need to be
No, not
scared.
to worry. Very
Not to
soon
be
it will be
scared.
approved.
Yes, absolutely. So this is the last conclusion now. So Dr. Pardawala, you can conclude this part, how you want to.
In my opinion, the first
Mm,
and most important duty of all we educated people is make sure all the people around you, including your servants, including your driver, including your society staff, including your office staff and their families, make sure they're all vaccinated. Encourage
okay,
vaccination at every level so that they are safe, you are safe, your country is safe, and we can go for a normal life very soon. If you don't do so, then don't complain to anybody.
and don't forget to wear your mask wherever you go.
Mask, yes, till we are able to achieve this, you will have to live with this mask forever till
Yes, yes.
this epidemic or pandemic comes under control.
Correct, absolutely. So thank you so much, Dr. Pardawala, for giving your valuable time, and we'll catch up. We'll
Thank you,
have another
Monish.
session. Thank you.
Always
Thank
it is
you.
nice to talk with you. Thank
Yeah, yeah,
you.
yeah. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye.